Using web browser. For several years, the web remained a tool used by scientific researchers, but in 1993, developers at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications (NCSA) created Mosaic, a point-and-click web browser. A web browser is a software application designed to find hypertext documents on the web and then open the documents on the user's computer. Commonly used web browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Launching your browser. You may need to connect to the internet before launching the browser. To launch a browser, first get connected to an internet connection. Then follow the given steps. 1. Click on Start button. 2. When the list of programs opens, find the name of your browser and click on it.